So after I do not know when this was last done, but I took my petrol filter out on my Commodore, and that's what I've got. Nice. Wonder why she was hunting a bit. So even with petrol cleaner, nothing will do fix this problem. So this is the original. None of my service books tell me that it's been done. So yeah, nice and sludgy. What? Now it's got a new one. Might do it every 100. So yeah, an original Opal Vauxhall, made in UK. I think it's an original. Yeah, surprised it was getting through, to be honest. Anyway, yeah, all good.